Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something a little bit special for you guys. I have actually teamed up with Japan Crate, who is a subscription box service that sends out a bunch of really cool items from Japan monthly to give away one Japan Crate to you guys. There are 4 different crates that you can get at Japan Crate. There is the original Japan Crate, which has a bunch of Japanese snacks, treats, candies, all of that delicious stuff. And one lucky winner will be receiving a Japan Crate of their very own. So check out the description box below on details on how to enter the giveaway. 2, the Doki Doki Crate, and Doki Doki in Japanese is the sound that your heart makes when you're excited. So cute, which is full of kawaii items like plushes and stickers and stationery. 3 is the Umai Crate, which is full of Japanese noodles, and let's be honest, Japanese noodles are so good. And 4 is their Kira Kira Crate, which is their beauty subscription box, and it's what I have to unbox on camera with you guys today. So if you guys are new to my channel, I absolutely love Japan. I have been to Japan 5 times now because I just can't get enough of the place. So Japan Crate sent me their Kira Kira box, which is their beauty subscriptions. Japan is known for their beauty products too, so I'm really excited to unbox this one for you guys. So this is what the Kira Kira Crate looks like. It just comes in this green box, and I mean, it's pretty sizable. I reckon there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Shall we open it up? So this is what it looks like inside. It's actually a really pretty box. It just says Kira Kira Crate by Japan Crate on the inside of the lid, and then there's a bunch of products in here. So let's dig in. Since a lot of these products are in Japanese, they really handily provided a little guide of all of the products that are inside. So in here it just has a guide to all of the products in this box, and I have a feeling this is going to come in handy when I'm going through the box and I won't be able to read all of the kanji. So the first item looks like a cognac sponge. I have used one of these guys before. It's basically a natural exfoliating sponge that you use on your skin with your cleanser just to help exfoliate your skin. But since it's all in Japanese, I will read the guide. Made from the fibrous root of the Japanese cognac plant, this heart-shaped sponge will gently exfoliate and pamper your face. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a little heart. Cute. So this is just what it looks like. So right now it's a really hard sponge, but as soon as you add water it will expand and get really soft. My skin's been needing a bit of exfoliation lately, so this is really going to come in handy. It's really handy that it comes with a little string so I can hang it up in my shower as well. So the next item I'm really excited about, it is a Pure Smile sheet mask. Now, if you guys have been watching my Japan series, you already know that I am obsessed with Pure Smile sheet masks. I always buy a ton whenever I go to Japan because they are always so beautiful on the skin. Plus they're really affordable. They're only like $1 or $2 each, which is just so cheap for a sheet mask. So this one is the collagen, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E sheet mask. So it looks like this one actually has a print on the mask as well. So it looks like that's what the mask will actually look like on it. That is hilarious. In Japan, kabuki is a classical Japanese dance drama play. It's known for the elaborate makeup worn by some of its performers. Become one this fall during a cold night by using this soothing sheet mask. That is so funny. There's actually some pictures of what it looks like in the guide as well. Hilarious. Next we have the Pharma Act Acne Control Medicated Face Foam. Now, Japanese foaming cleansers are so amazing on the skin. I've actually owned a few in the past and they don't dry out your skin like Western foaming cleansers do, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. So the description for this one is, cleanse your skin with this lightly scented face foam that also helps remove any traces of makeup and is medicated to help keep any acne monsters at bay and in control. This dual action fighter is formulated with hyaluronic acid so it won't leave your skin stripped of its moisture and will leave your skin feeling clean and soothed this October. When I'm in Japan and shopping for beauty products, I probably would have skipped this and not even looked at it just because of the packaging, but based on that description it sounds like it's a really gentle and really gorgeous cleanser, so looking forward to giving this one a go. Next, it looks like we've got some bath salts. Oh, that smells so nice. It's kind of like slightly herbal. It smells a bit like black tea. Oh, that would be so beautiful. It's just, I don't have a bath in my apartment. These are the acne bath salts. This herbal brew is great for calming irritated acne, smoothing dry patches, and improving the overall health of your skin. If you don't have a bathtub, don't fret. Mix the salt with some warm water and cleanser and gently use it as an exfoliant on your face or body. Amazing, they thought of everything. So it looks like I can still use this. Amazing, I'll use it as an exfoliator. Perfect. So the last item in the Kita crate is the Hanamaru eye cream, and judging by the diagram on the front, it actually looks a little bit different to Western eye creams, which you typically apply underneath your eyes, but this one looks like you apply it on your actual eyelid. Interesting. I just noticed on the back of the packaging of the eye cream that this is 2,940 yen just for this one product, which is about just over $30 Australian, and the box itself, the Kira box, is only $29, so you've already made your money back just with this product. Oh, it's so cute. So that's just what it looks like there. Treat your tired eyes and depuff the area by using this lightly scented rose eye cream. Leaning more towards a gel-like consistency, it will sink into your skin and leave a nice cooling effect that will leave your eye area feeling rejuvenated. Oh, that is so silky and soft. That's beautiful. So that is everything in the Kita crate. There are some real goodies in there. I'm especially excited to try that cognac sponge and that cleanser. I feel like together they're gonna work really well to exfoliate my skin. Like I said at the beginning of this video, Japan Crate and I are giving away one Japan snack crate, so I will leave all of the details on how to enter in the description below. Just thinking about all of the Japan snacks in there, oh, it's making me hungry. So that is gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out Japan Crate if you guys are interested in any of their subscription boxes. There are some really good items in there. Plus it's coming up to Christmas and it would be a really great gift idea. I love giving subscription boxes as presents because they're just like the gift that keeps on giving, you know? So if you guys are interested, I will leave all of their details in the description box below. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Tonight I am having a pamper session.